Hello friends, welcome to the Azure DevOps tutorial series. In this tutorial we will see how to create project with Git and TFVC in Azure DevOps tutorial. So in this tutorial we are going to see like how we can create project with the Git and TFVC. And in the previous tutorial we have seen like different type of the processes, and like if there is any custom process in the sense like inherited process, and then we have seen like Kanban board and what all are the column changes we can do for the Kanban board, basically like customization on the Kanban boards. So all those things we have seen in the previous tutorial. So I recommend you, before proceeding with this tutorial, like watch the previous tutorial, like how we manage the boards and the process in Azure DevOps. And apart from this we have seen like what is the centralized and distributed version control available in Azure DevOps. So all those things we have seen. So in this tutorial we will focus on creating project using the version control called Git and TFVC. So let's go to the URL. So this is the URL is devazure.com, and these are the different type of the project which we created in the previous tutorial. So in this tutorial we will see like how we create a project with Git and the TFVC version control. So for creating the project, like we have seen in the previous tutorials also, like I'm going to create the project under Azure course organization. So here we can see like there is a new project, and for creating a project we have to click on that, and here we have to give the name. So what I'm going to give, I'm going to give Azure DevOps with Git, and any description if you want to give we can give here, and what kind of the visibility we are going to create. So we can either choose public or private. So as of now I'm going to take it as a private, and in the advanced we can see they are like version control, it is giving as a Git or TFVC. So like currently we are looking with the Git, so let's select Git, and what kind of the process we are going to select. So as of now I'm going to select the basic process. So like in the previous tutorial we have seen the difference between different type of the process available here. So I recommend you, if you want to understand more about the processes, then please see the previous tutorial. We have discussed these 4 type of the process available in Azure DevOps. So here .NET Office process is basically a custom process which we have created. So let's create this new project with the version control Git and the work item process as a basic. So once I click on this, so it will create a one project for us basically, and then we will see like if we now version control we have selected as a Git, then how it look like. So for that we have to go into the repos, so basically into the repository, and under this repository in the files you can see like clone to your computer and push an existing repository from command line. So these are the some URL they have given, and here at the top you will see like Azure DevOps with Git. From here we can create a new repository, we can import repository, and we can manage the repository. So all these things they have given. Like in the coming tutorial and briefly we will understand all these things, like how we can set up with a Git. Like first time if you are going to work on any project, and if you want to choose like what kind of the version control we should go, then I recommend please select the Git only, because it is more advanced than TFVC and it give more flexibility over the TFVC. So we have seen those difference in the previous tutorial. So for the new project it's always recommended go for the Git. So this is the way of creating a project with the Git, and in the coming tutorial we will set up this Git with the local, like how it will be useful. So this is the way of creating the project with the Git. Now let's create the project with the TFVC. So let's click on the new project, and here we can write Azure DevOps project with TFVC, and description, visibility, like what kind of the visibility want to give we can select from here. Let's click on the advanced, and in the version control we can select like team foundation version control, and what kind of the process you want to looking, you can select that one. So this is the important like version control which you want to select. So as of now I'm going to select TFVC. Let's create this one. So the difference between these two is the version control difference only. So currently we were looking for the Git as a Git, and for the TFVC, let's see what we see. So once go into the board, not in board, we have to go into the repos, and once we'll go into the repos, so we can see the look is different than the Git which we have seen. And here we can see like we are looking for the Azure DevOps project with TFVC, and here also we can create the repository, we can import the repository, and we can even manage the repository for TFVC as well. So like these are the common between these two, but still like Git is more advanced than TFVC. So as per my understanding, like if we are going to create a new project, then it's always a good thing, like we should go for the Git. So in this tutorial we have seen this thing, and in the coming tutorial we are going to work with the Git. Then we will see like how we do the setup with Azure DevOps into the local, and how we work with the Git in Azure DevOps. So all those things we are going to discuss in the coming tutorial. So as per this tutorial, that's it. If you have any question and doubt, please comment. Thank you.